Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Conversation podcast. Today's topic is very useful for daily life, talking about your job or study. So let's keep it simple, clear, and easy to understand.
Hi, my name is Alex. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Alex. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you too. What do you do?
I work as a graphic designer. I create designs for social media and websites. What about you?
I'm a university student. I study business administration.
That's great. Which year are you in?
I'm in my third year right now. So, Alex, can you tell me more about your job?
Sure. I work in a small company. My job is to design logos, banners, and ads.
That sounds creative. Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I really enjoy it because I love creativity. But sometimes it can be stressful.
Why is it stressful?
Because of deadlines, sometimes I have to finish work very quickly.
I understand. Do you work full-time or part-time?
I work full-time, about 8 hours a day. Now tell me about your studies.
I study business administration. My favorite subject is marketing.
Why do you like marketing?
Because it's interesting and practical. I enjoy learning how businesses grow.
That's nice. Do you have exams now?
Yes, I have exams next month, so I'm very busy.
Good luck. Do you plan to work after graduation?
Yes, I want to work in a multinational company. Alex, what skills do you need for your job?
I need creativity, communication skills, and software skills.
That's interesting. Do you work with a team?
Yes, I work with a small team. What about you? Do you study alone or in a group?
I prefer group study. It helps me understand better.
That's a good idea. So today we learned how to talk about jobs and studies in simple English.
Yes, try to practice these conversations with your friends.
Remember, don't be afraid to speak. Practice every day.
Thanks for listening. See you in the next episode.
Goodbye.